The Las Vegas Sphere is undoubtedly the world's most iconic venue, boasting the largest wraparound LED screen ever seen before. But how did this incredible marvel come to be? The Madison Square Garden Company, the same company that built Radio City Music Hall, the Chicago Theater, and Madison Square Garden, announced the Sphere project in 2018. They brought together the best minds from every industry to realize their dream of revolutionizing live entertainment. After 5 years of hard work and a staggering cost of $2.3 billion, the Sphere finally opened its doors to the public. With its jaw-dropping exterior and awe-inspiring features, it's no wonder visitors from all over the world are flocking to this incredible venue. The first thing that grabs attention is the exterior, aptly named the Exosphere. It's the world's largest LED screen, boasting a resolution that surpasses anything previously imagined. This 58,000 square foot display isn't just for flashy visuals, though those are certainly impressive. It's a powerful communication tool, capable of transforming the Sphere into a canvas for art, advertising, and even public service announcements. At first glance, it appears to be a continuous screen, but did you know that it's actually made up of 1.2 million lights? As you approach the Sphere, you'll notice that each light is composed of LED modules, also known as hockey pucks, due to their size and shape. Imagine holding one in the palm of your hand. That's how big they are. And each module has 48 light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, that can display any color you can think of. What's even more incredible is that you can get up close and personal with the lights. There's no fence, so you can walk right up to them and admire their beauty. Let's enter Sphere. You can choose between 3 entrances: the west, the east, or the plaza entry. But most people prefer the plaza entry. Once inside, your tickets will be confirmed and you'll need to go through a quick security check before proceeding. As you enter the Sphere, there's a lot to see. The area in the middle is called the Atrium, and it may remind you of a science fiction movie. But before we move on any further, we kindly request you to support us by pressing the subscribe button. Let's proceed to explore the Atrium. As you walk through the Atrium, you will notice a collection of advanced audio and visual technology. However, what will catch your attention is the holographic display. Even though it appears three-dimensional, it's actually a clever optical illusion created by using a handheld fan with lights on its blades. Hundreds of rotors, each with 4 blades, are attached to the wall and fitted with LEDs. They spin at 670 per minute, making it too fast for the human eye to see. This allows for the display of all kinds of sequences. But that's not all. As you explore the Atrium, you'll see 5 robots that you can interact with. Called Aura, the most advanced humanoid robot created by the English company Engineered Arts in the last 15 years. Aura doesn't walk around, but its upper body moves as it interacts with visitors, answering questions, and presenting the latest tech used at the Sphere. Aura uses AI to engage in real-time conversations with you, creating a truly immersive experience you won't forget.
Far too young for human pair bonding, but I won't tell if you won't. All right, my close friend, let's take this photo one more time. Are you ready? Busy.
You'll also notice 4 rings on the floor that produce different sounds, each one linked to the speakers behind Aura the robot, but you can only hear them when you're inside the circle. It's an experience you won't forget. After spending time with Aura, let's move into the theater for the main attraction, the Sphere's main screen. The first thing that overwhelms you is the 16K resolution LED screen, the largest and highest definition screen in the world, encompassing the entire interior. Forget about flat screens in traditional movie theaters. This is an immersive canvas where visuals wrap around you, blurring the lines between reality and the digital realm. Imagine watching a nature documentary where you're surrounded by the Amazon rainforest, the lush foliage and exotic creatures appearing within arm's reach. Or picture yourself immersed in a concert, the artist's visuals pulsating around you, amplifying the emotional impact of the music. It is the largest theater screen ever built, and movies must be shot using a special camera called the Big Sky. This camera captures footage at a much higher resolution than a regular movie camera, and has a wider field of view to match the screen that it will be shown on. While filming, the camera needs to be angled upwards, so that the action happens towards the bottom part of the screen, which is most visible to the audience inside the sphere. Currently, there is only one movie available for viewing on this screen, Postcard from Earth. This movie is currently being shown at the sphere. The screen has 256 million pixels, making it the highest resolution screen in the world. At first glance, one could assume that this screen must be super sharp, but that isn't the case. Actually, quite the opposite is true. Since the surface is so huge, 160,000 square feet, or over 14,800 square meters to be exact, it only has around 3.33 pixels per inch. For comparison, the latest iPhone has 460 pixels per inch. Despite that, the sphere's screen still looks great, and this is because it's a matter of distance. The optimum viewing distance is the ideal distance between a screen and the audience. The screen in the theater looks crystal clear from the seats, but would start to break up into individual pixels if you get closer to it. You can actually test this. Hold your phone close to a screen, then zoom in as far as you can. If your camera is good enough, you should be able to see each pixel broken down into the red, green, and blue subpixels. The sphere's audio system is just as impressive as its visuals. Over 160,000 speakers are seamlessly integrated throughout the venue, creating a 3D soundscape that envelops you with breathtaking clarity and precision. Imagine hearing the roar of a dinosaur behind you in a Jurassic Park experience, or the whisper of wind in your ear during a nature documentary. This is spatial audio at its finest, adding layers of realism and depth to every experience. These speakers are situated directly behind the screen. These are not regular speakers, they utilize beamforming technology, which allows sound to be directed towards specific areas in the audience. Unlike traditional speakers, beamforming technology focuses sound waves in a particular direction, avoiding sound dispersal and spreading out so that everyone in the room hears the same thing. The precision of this technology enables sound to be personalized for the language needs of different parts of the audience. For example, these seats might have the audio in English, these seats in Spanish, and those seats in French. It is often said that this technology provides headset sound without the need for a headset. And it doesn't stop there. Haptic technology embedded in the seats and floors adds a physical dimension to the experience. Feel the rumble of an earthquake during a disaster movie, the vibrations of a spaceship taking off, or the gentle sway of a boat on calm waters. This tactile feedback deepens the immersion, blurring the line between virtual and reality. To further enhance the atmosphere, wind machines can produce anything from a gentle breeze to a strong gust, along with smells and fog. However, the team is careful not to overload the senses. You may be curious about how the sphere is pulling all this together. Behind the scenes, a sophisticated network of technology powers the magic of the sphere. State-of-the-art servers, control rooms, and a team of skilled technicians work tirelessly to ensure every event is flawless and unforgettable. Even the air you breathe inside the sphere is carefully managed. Advanced filtration systems ensure a clean and fresh environment, while sophisticated climate control maintains optimal temperatures throughout the venue. This creates an immersive experience free from distractions, allowing the audience to fully engage with the content. The Las Vegas Sphere is more than a building, it's a glimpse into the future of entertainment and immersive experiences. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a showcase of cutting-edge technology, and a symbol of the boundless possibilities that arise when we dare to dream big. While the first sphere of its kind has already been built, there are rumors that more might be on the way. However, nothing is certain yet. So, is it truly worth all the effort? Does it live up to its hype? Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.